Hello YouTube, this is just an update on the I don't know if you can hear me here, the generator inverter that I have. It's been about 2 years since I got it. It's the PowerIt GN 3000 inverter, bought it from Walmart. Still working okay. It's running pretty loud right now because the fridge on electricity on the trailer is charging the battery, and at the same time I'm running a small portable heater right there. It's about 1500 watts. I don't know if you can see it there. It's just the fridge and a couple of devices is charging, so it's still quiet. Like I said, 2000 watts will not run the AC. And here how it sounds on the back. Looks like Walmart discontinued it. I heard someone commented on my first video that it was on sale for like $2.99 or something like that. My buddy has one. We tried to run it in parallel, I think, and it's not working. I don't have that much knowledge on things like that, how to run it parallel. I changed the oil on that inverter generator once when I got it. I think I need to change the oil on that thing. And the fuel consumption is still the same. On low power like this, you know, was it 5 liters, I think, a gallon fuel will take about 8 to 10 hours. So, well, there you have it. We're in campground right now, back to Hoodoo's, waiting for my buddies to come, and I'll pick up the rest of the family later on. Hi, Big. Hey, thanks for watching.